Did you know you don't need thousands of dollars to start investing? What if I told you there are smart ways to begin investing with just a little money? In today's video, we'll explore 8 genius ways to start investing with little capital. Whether you're just getting started or looking for new strategies to grow your wealth, these tips will help you build your financial future, even with small amounts. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating or reserved for the rich. It's accessible for everyone. Let's get started. 1. Save up until you have more. Before you start investing, it's essential to have some money saved up. This might seem like a simple idea, but it's incredibly powerful. Saving money regularly, even in small amounts, can provide the foundation for future investments. If you start saving just $20 every week, that adds up to over $1,000 a year. And from there, you can begin exploring more substantial investment options. It doesn't take long for your savings to build up, and once you've saved a bit more, you can start making smarter and more impactful investments. Saving in small, manageable amounts helps you avoid the stress of having to find a large sum all at once. The more consistent you are with setting aside a little each week, the quicker you'll reach your investment goals. Plus, saving before you start investing helps you avoid financial strain and provides a buffer for any emergency expenses that may come up. 2. Automate your investing. Imagine being able to invest without having to think about it every month. That's the beauty of automated investing. With robo-advisors and automated platforms, you can set up recurring payments that fund your portfolio without you lifting a finger. By simply funding your account, the robo-advisor takes care of the rest, from asset allocation to portfolio rebalancing. Not only does this method save you time, but it also helps eliminate emotional decision-making, a key factor in successful investing. Since you're not involved in choosing the stocks or bonds, it's easy to sit back and let your money grow. Over time, you'll start to see the benefits of long-term, hands-off investing. Automated investing also helps you stick to your investment strategy, preventing you from making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 3. Use investment apps. In today's world, there's an app for everything, and investing is no different. Apps like Raiz, Acorns, and Robinhood allow you to start investing with as little as $5. These platforms make it easy for beginners to start building wealth by investing small, manageable amounts, and they often automate the process, making it even more hands-off. With Raiz, for example, your spare change from everyday purchases can be automatically invested into a diversified portfolio. This way, you're not even thinking about how much to invest. It just happens. Plus, most investment apps have low fees, so you keep more of your money working for you. You can also use these apps to track your progress, helping you stay on top of your goals. As you become more comfortable with investing, you can gradually increase your contributions and explore different investment options through these apps. 4. Start with a small investment in unit trusts. If you're new to investing, unit trusts or mutual funds are a great entry point. These collective investment vehicles pool money from many investors to invest in a diversified range of assets. The beauty of unit trusts is that they offer diversification with a small initial investment, making them a low-risk way for beginners to get started. For example, unit trusts typically require only a few $100s to begin, making them more accessible than trying to buy individual stocks. With professional fund managers handling your investments, it's an ideal way to start learning the ropes of investing while keeping your risk low. As you gain more experience, you can increase your contributions or move on to other investment vehicles. Unit trusts also offer a good balance between risk and return, allowing you to gradually increase your exposure to different types of assets as your financial situation improves. 5. Explore real estate via crowdfunding or REITs. Real estate has long been a favorite for wealth building, but historically, it's required significant capital to get started. However, real estate crowdfunding and REITs have changed the game. Crowdfunding platforms let you invest in large real estate projects with just $500, while REITs allow you to buy shares in real estate properties through the stock market. This means you don't need a lot of money or good credit to start building a real estate portfolio. Real estate crowdfunding is a great way to diversify your investment strategy without worrying about managing physical property. You can still enjoy the benefits of real estate without the headaches of being a landlord, and you'll also have the opportunity to invest in various types of properties, from residential to commercial. 6. Platforms for peer-to-peer lending. One unique way to invest small amounts of money is through peer-to-peer P2P lending platforms. With P2P lending, you lend your money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. And the best part is, you can start investing with just a small amount. Platforms like Lending Club and Funding Circle allow you to choose the loans you want to fund based on your risk tolerance. As a P2P lender, you have control over your investments, choosing how much to invest and which types of loans to fund. Some platforms even offer options to invest in Sharia-compliant loans, giving you more flexibility in how you invest. Peer-to-peer lending allows for potentially high returns while providing you with the ability to diversify your investments across multiple borrowers. By lending small amounts to various projects, you minimize your risk while still earning potential returns. 7. Start a small business. Starting a small business can be one of the best investments you make, especially in today's digital age. With very little capital, you can start a service-based business or create products to sell online. Whether it's freelancing, offering tutoring services, or selling handmade products on platforms like Etsy, the opportunities are endless. Technology has made it easier than ever to start a business with minimal upfront costs, thanks to tools for website creation, online marketing, and e-commerce. Even with a few $100s, you can set up a small business and start generating extra income. While it takes time and effort to build, it's a powerful way to create wealth and scale up as you grow your profits. Small businesses can provide a steady stream of income while giving you the freedom to pursue your passions and build a brand that resonates with customers. 8. Invest in commodities like gold. When it comes to tangible investments, gold has been a reliable option for centuries. Whether you buy physical gold or invest in gold-backed exchange-traded funds, ETFs, this commodity has stood the test of time. Gold provides stability and protection, especially during periods of economic uncertainty or market volatility. You can start investing in gold with as little as $25 or $50, especially through ETFs or gold-backed mutual funds. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a low-risk, long-term investment. Gold also tends to hold its value over time, which means your investment is likely to appreciate, providing you with a hedge against inflation. As a result, gold could be a valuable addition to any investment portfolio, offering both diversification and security. And there you have it, 8 smart ways to start investing with little money. You don't need a fortune to begin your investing journey. The key is to start now, no matter how small, and build your investments over time. Whether you choose to save, use apps, or start a small business, every step brings you closer to your financial goals. If you found these strategies helpful, hit the like button and share this video with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal finance, investing, and growing your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.